So, guys, we have Camry 2020 or 2021? 21. And this is the initial look from inside at night. I must say that they have done a tremendous job in making this car. Let me turn on the lights. Beautiful interior, quiet interior, lots of options. I think it's a middle option, a lot of options inside, and really good feeling. The most important thing is I was driving it and I was feeling really comfortable. Comfort and Camry is not the same thing, right? Whenever it comes to Toyota or something, we figure it out that there is no comfort. So they have given a lot of options. They have to compete with the Koreans and Chinese. Chinese. But yes, they have to compete with the Koreans, so they have to give a lot of options. So cut the story short, we will go for the top speed, or maybe 150, 160. Let's see how it goes. See you in a bit. Now we are going to try sports mode. I think there is some issue with the brake pads, and we have not that much long road, so we are going to stick with 220. But I think it can make up to 240 easily. The way it drives, smooth, lots of acceleration. You can see this. So see you guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video. So we are going to try drive mode first. Let's try.